Remember when Nigeria became Africa's largest economy? Goodluck Jonathan led this transformation. His administration rebased Nigeria's GDP, surpassing South Africa for the first time. He established 12 new federal universities and implemented the Almajiri education system for marginalized children. His agricultural transformation reduced food imports by over 40%. But his most enduring legacy? In 2015, he became the first Nigerian president to peacefully concede an election and transfer power. Since then, he has emerged as a respected international statesman, mediating conflicts and observing elections across Africa. Through his foundation, promoting democracy and peace across the continent. As Nigeria approaches 2027, citizens are looking for proven leadership. Jonathan's record of economic growth, democratic values, and international respect offers a compelling vision. The question is not just who will lead, but who has already demonstrated they can deliver results for Nigeria. Nigerians, the choice is clear. Vote massively for proven leadership. Vote Goodluck Jonathan 2027. Nigeria deserves experience that delivers. Together, let us build the Nigeria of our dreams.